Here we are in Maine, and we are in a blizzard. It started snowing here at 9:45 this morning. I'm going to record it throughout the day until it gets dark tonight. It's coming down really hard and the wind is starting to pick up. Plus, we already had snow on the ground. So, stay tuned for the next clip. Hi, we're going through another phase of the blizzard, and I can't open my door right now. I'm terribly sorry. It's about 4 o'clock. The wind has really picked up. I don't know if you can see the fir trees blowing. I guess not. But can't open the door at all. Visibility's almost zero out there. Let me see if I can show you some snow on the steps. We have maybe, I can't really tell, 4, 5 inches right now. Not really sure, but I'll show you what happens when I try to open the door. Here we go. Oh, I can't open it. That's it. That's all I can get open. Sorry, folks. So it's pretty rough out there right now. Just want to give you a shot of what it looks out like right now. I'm going to swing it over a little. Not much. All you see is the same thing because you can't see nothing out there. And we have ice accumulating on our storm door here. Okay. I'll give you a next phase before it gets dark. Thank you. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm back. I think this is the 3rd video. Wind is terrible. If you notice the fir trees out there, we've lost power once. It's come back on. We've lost the TV direct network. The wind is blowing. It's so dark and visibility isn't good for the clarity to try to pick up anything. But the snow is whirling everywhere. We have a mixture on our door where we've got some freezing rain as well. There's no way I can open the door. We have, I'm not sure for inches, maybe 6 to 8 inches of snow right now. And it's continuing all through the night. I wanted to wait a little bit later, but darkness is moving in quickly, and it's still a whiteout out there. I'm going to try to pan out some more and see if you can see. And then I'm going to go back this way. But it's such a whiteout, you can't really pick anything different up out there. But you gotta love Maine. That's what it's all about. This is our 2nd blizzard this year. We've had 3 northeasters, I think, plus all the other just regular snowstorms. I'm not sure what we have in total accumulation yet. Okay, stay tuned for the next clip, and it will probably be in the morning. Good morning. It is now, the storm is over. Stella has finally calmed down. We're just about ready to go out and see the damages. It's really hard to determine on any amounts because of the wind that we had. Taking this right now right out through my door because I can't open the door. Ray has gone outside so he can start getting a path so the animals and I can get outside. And if we back up here, let's see, here, and back up here a little bit. This is what we got. So I'm saying we've got probably, I don't know, it's hard to judge, 1.5 to 2 feet of snow. It's really, really hard. Can you see all the drifting points through the fields out there? See what I mean? See how it shelved, drifted? It's a beautiful sunny day. and it's 31 out right now. I have two animals that are just dying to go out, and one's name's Pumpkin, right there, and then there's Bubba trying to get at the door. Pumpkin! Hi, Bubba! And there's Bubba. Pumpkin and Bubba are waiting to get outside. Bubba says, I want to get out. I want to go now. Okay, I will see you outside for the next clips. Don't go too far. Okay, another clip. I just went to the back door. Ray shoveled enough so we could get out the door. I'll walk out here and see. I don't have my jacket on yet, but the animals want it to come out. So, there's Pumpkin in the snow. There's my tractor over there. There's the wood covered up. Ray's tending to the outdoor furnace. Give you some picture here. And there's my car. You can see the snow drifted away from that. So I'll be back out with some more picture taking. So hold on to the next clip. Good morning. I just want to say hi. I made one video and I had it upside down, so now I got to reshoot the whole thing. Mr. Ray's coming, so we got to catch him snow blowing. This is my car here. And let's get walking again. I'm sorry, I messed up on that first one. This was March 15th. This is a storm called Stella. And it was an official blizzard. Wow, look at that. That snow blower really works well, and it shoots the snow very high. It's called Puma, P-U-M-A. Ray's out here with no coat, just a sweatshirt. It's 31 degrees today. So, I don't know if I can get his attention to say hi or not. He's busy concentrating on this long driveway. No, we'll try to walk with him a little bit while he's pushing the snow down the driveway, blowing it down. This is a very nice day. The sun's out. It's about 31 degrees. I'm saying we got a foot to 2 feet. It's really hard. Some areas only look like a foot, some look 2. We had very high winds last night. There was a lot of drifting of snow. So it was very hard to judge. It's going to be a beautiful day. Look at the sky up there. Nice and blue. Whoops, my camera turned on me just a little. Guess I got to be a little more careful doing that. This is a side shot of the other side of our driveway. Back up in there, and this is my garden shed, and then Ray's big tractor shed where he's got his New Holland 40 horsepower that he wenches and takes logs out of the woods here. And then he's got a Ford 8-end, which has been passed down 2 generations. It needs work. I'm not sure if it will start now. It's been a few years since he's taken it out of the garage area there. But there's my poor garden. I don't know. It's going to be a long time before I get in there. I know this week I will be planting some seeds and transplanting a few bigger pots that I have into a hanging basket. Well, Ray's managed to still be working on the driveway way down there. You can see him snow blowing. We have a very long driveway. I'm going to swing it around here. This is our horse barn. We had 3 horses. We had 2 stand-it bred and a Hefflinger. I was training the Hefflinger. I had a head injury, so we had to give the animals up. We had ducks, geese, we had Toulouse geese. We had chickens. We had 45 of different kinds. We had Orrington Buff, Bar Rock, Rhode Island Reds. We are going to replace them this year. We are going to get, I don't know how many, maybe 12. And we're going to get 25 meat birds. Just showing you some of the fields. What you can see here as far as the eye is about 15 acres of field. And I mow these fields in the summer myself. That is one of my chores besides taking care of the garden. Okay, I'm going to swing it back here and head back to the house. This is the front of the house here. Way to the left, you can't see the whole room, but that's our hot tub room. The next 3 set of windows is the living room. The next 3 is the dining room. And the next 2 with the door, 2 windows to the door, is an entryway. And then we have our garage. Swing it over here. Excuse me. This is my women's cave where I sold produce and my baked goods and my jams and jellies. I was semi-retired last year. And I'll probably be the same this year. I'm not sure what's going to happen with this knee. If not, I am planning to take some classes. So here we're heading back up to the house. Got a bird flying over there. Not too much activities on the bird feeders this morning. They're still probably underneath the trees from the big storm last night. You can see our roof up there. There's not much snow. It didn't blow too bad up there on that side. But then inside, when you look outside down through the fields, you can see how the snow just shelved, what we call shelves. It just blows up. And if you look way over, you can see what I'm talking about. The 3rd fir tree over where the birds are flying. You can see how the snow caves in a little bit right there. That's called shelving. So, a lot going on today. Just some more of our front lawn here. Do got quite a bit to mow. Like I said, I do mow 15 acres. Gives me something to do. I have to, by the time 4 days come, I have to start another rotation of 4 days. Here's a good example of what I'm talking about right there. See how there's no snow and then it just drifts up and then it comes down. Ray didn't shovel that. That's just the way it drifted. But this here would be the front of my lawn. And this is what I start mowing until as far as you can see the 15 acres. It's beautiful here. As I say, it's just like God's country. Can't get any better. I sure can hear the birds this morning. Just giving you a little tour of the snow and our piece of property here at the Sea Farm. I'm walking back to the back door now. Wrap things up here and see if I can, start downloading this. I just hit it on the snowbank. I'm sorry. This here's the front of my car. Again, you can see how it drifted. It drifted really funky. Just went in and out. I'm looking down. Let's see. Okay, this building here is where we had our goats and our ducks and a few geese. And we had a great big pen-in area. They absolutely loved going up through the trees there. The goats loved it. And I maintain, hi Bubba. Bubba the cat's come to visit me. I maintain all through the woods, help Ray pick up the limbs and any little tree branches and everything. We like to keep a nice looking yard. And then down here, down back, is the woods road. And I don't see any turkeys out. There was just a few this morning. But Ray will clean this woods road all out. And they'll be coming out to feed along with the deer. The deer will also come out. A little bit of wood stacked up there. And then the other building, if I can move over a little without going into the snow here. The other little building down there we had for our laying hens. And we had 45 of them until the until the fox decided they liked them better than we did. So they had a good lunch, and that was the end of that. I'm going to swing it over here. This is my little greenhouse. You'll see I videoed that, but I haven't downloaded it yet. Needs to be cleaned out and Cloroxed out really good before I do some planting in there. I will be planting inside of the house later this week. I've got a lot going on between GM orders right now. And we did have a greenhouse business. It was about 25 by 100 we sold. We sold hanging baskets, herbs, annuals, perennials. We had a nice little business for a few years until the oil prices got up to be about $4.50 a gallon. And when you live in Maine in February, it's cold, it's snowy. You were just like putting a dollar in the air. So we decided to bow out of that and just start growing and selling produce. And I got my baker's license. Right here is a heat more, which is our outdoor furnace, outdoor boiler. It's plumbed in under the ground to the house. It supplies us with all of our heat and our hot water. We run this all year long, so that helps a lot. This is the back side of the house here. And you can see what I was talking about, how the wind blew. See the roof up there? You got some snow, then you don't. You got the shelving going on. So I think that's about all. And this was the Blizzard of Stella, March 15th, 2017. And I guess that's the end for now. And I'll see if I can get in and download. And we'll catch you on my next video. I'm going to put the tripod down here and take my glove off. The wind is coming up. So please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on my next video. God bless.